Hey guys, today I was just going to give you a little update of how things are going. We've been very busy. A lot of people have been asking why I haven't been posting a lot. I just honestly have not had the time for it. I have a full-time job and a part-time job and two kids and a husband, so it's been kind of crazy. Speaking of my kids, my daughter Lorelai also got a modeling contract with a company, and we've just been kind of focusing on that for a little while. You can go check out her Instagram page if you want to keep up with her modeling journey. It's right here. My little one is getting big. You can see right here. She will be 2 in December, which is crazy. It feels like she should just be turning 1, but it's been 2 years already. Oh my goodness, it's crazy. And yeah, that's it. Just been working and trying to keep my house clean, which is so difficult when you have 2 kids. I don't know how people do it. I don't know how people keep their house clean all the time. I think as an artist, I'm naturally like a messy person. Like the last thing I think about is cleaning. Is that just me? Or, I mean, I know my sister, who is also an artist, she's kind of the same way. But I feel like it's all of us artsy people. So I just wanted to give you guys a little update, and I hope that you are having a fantastic fall. It's been like, what, 8 days of fall? It's been a whole week of fall. Here in Texas, we're getting a little bit of fall weather. I hope you're getting the full fall effect. Bye, guys.